Hi everyone, Sharon Richardson from Australia, and I am a Cricut crafter. And what I'd like to do today is to share a parody that I have written for Ashish, Aurora, and the team at Cricut. So it is a bit of a tongue twister, but I do hope that you enjoy it, okay, as much as I love creating it. Explore and make a machines are from Cricut. Write copper foil and printable sticker. Iron on easy press and window cling. These are a few of our favorite things. Gold colored adhesive vinyl with glitter. Fine blade and deep blade, knife blade in the rotary. Tweezers and scrapers and two scoring wheels. These are a few of our favorite things. Pearl paper, faux leather, fusible fabric, tools that can stay in their accessory pouches, pair of white scissors with cap on the ends. These are a few of our favorite things. With my bright pad, strong grip and sticks, and straw in my way. We simply craft using our favorite things. We buy what we need or don't have. Explore and make a machines are from Cricut. Write copper foil and printable sticker. Iron on easy press and window cling. These are a few of our favorite things. Gold-colored adhesive vinyl with glitter. Fine blade and deep blade, knife blade in the rotary. Tweezers and scrapers and two scoring wheels. These are a few of our favorite things. Pearl paper, faux leather, fusible fabric, tools that can stay in the accessory pouches, pair of white scissors with cap on the ends. These are a few of our favorite things. With my bright pad, strong grip and sticks, pen straw in black gray. We simply craft using our favorite things. We buy what we need or don't have.